Okay guys, what is retargeting and why is super important for you? Why you need to start using it right away? Let me show you one clear real life example. Here we are on the Amazon.com website. Yesterday I was looking for some hard drive to use as a backup on my computer to save all my classes and files. So I have a backup and I was looking here for some options and I didn't purchase the hard drive. So I came here, I looked to all the options, but I didn't complete the purchase. So what happened today? Today, I go to Facebook and I see on my timeline an ad you see here is sponsored by Amazon. I see ads for specific hard drive. So how do they know that I am looking for a hard drive? Or I go to any other web page. This one, for example, is a speedtest.net, and I can see all over the page ads, and one of them, the big one here on the left, is all about hard drive on Amazon.com. So how do they know that I am looking for a hard drive? How do they know that? That's retargeting, and that's why you will learn on this course, okay? So basically, the retargeting is a code that we can insert on your website. We can install one code, the Facebook pixel code on your website, and we will do that on this course. And with that code, we'll start collecting your customers' information. For example, in my case, I went to Amazon, look for this device, and when I'm here, the Facebook pixel that Amazon is using capture my information. So they know that I am looking for hard drive. So now that they know that, they can create an audience, and we will do that for you step by step. They can create an audience here for me and show the ads that I will be interested in, okay? All over the place. This is a Google ads, the AdWorks, you see, and also on Facebook, okay? On this course, we are doing all that on Facebook. So why this is important for you and for your business? Why you need to start using right now Facebook retargeting on your marketing? Simply because by doing this, most people, let me tell you the error that most entrepreneurs, more companies are making every day. People create ads on Facebook, they invest money, and nothing happens. People click on the link, maybe people don't click on the link, but even if they click, they visit their webpage, but they end up not purchasing the product. And why is that? Because we are targeting, when we create ads for a generic audience, we are targeting general people that we don't know. We are not sure that they want your product and services. Maybe they don't know you, or they don't know your company or the services you provide. So if we target only the people that already visit your website, that show interest on your products and services, maybe they were on your website and they were looking for your products, for your services, information about you, about your company. If we target these people with ads that are super target to what they are looking for, the chances for high conversions are better because we are targeting, we are investing money on ads that are showing to your customer, to people that are really looking for right now at this moment, they are looking for your products and services. So that's the magic of retargeting. And in this course, as I promised you in the last video, you will learn how to do that, and we will have by the end of this course an audience of people that visit your website. We will learn about Facebook events, so people that complete registration, people that add your products to their cart, maybe people that sign for your email list. We will have different audiences that we can target with Facebook ads, okay? And let me tell you very quick a little bit about the Facebook pixel. Here we are on the Facebook Ads Manager, and I'll show you in the next video how you can create your pixel step by step, and later how to install on your website. And this is the pixel. You see the code here on the blue square. You see a code that is basically the Facebook pixel. So this portion of code is the one that will be responsible for all this magic to happen. Of when people go to your website, it will capture their information, and later you can show ads like this on Facebook and any other pages on the internet. So all that is coming. I hope you like this. I hope you are excited, and I'm sure the results that we will have applying this strategy, the remarketing strategy, are unbelievable. Okay, let's start that in the next video.